Hey, so this is something we built out this week. We onboarded a client and they had 1,300 pages without any meta description. And that's obviously going to take a long time for an SEO analyst to go in and write all those meta descriptions. So we wondered if ChatGPT could help. And we built this tool. So we'll see if we're going to use it. But yeah, I thought I'd try it out. I thought I'd show you how it was all set up and how much it'll cost. So basically, we took the ChatGPT API. We connected it into here with this GPT for Sheets and Docs. If you don't know how to do this, you just go to add-ons, get add-ons, and then search for this GPT for Sheets. Then you have to install it. It's pretty simple. It comes up, asks you for the API. You get your API code from the OpenAI developer. You just need to pay an account, make sure you have credit in there, and you're pretty much good to go. For this, we're just using GPT 3.5. Super cheap, super fast. We could give it a go with GPT-4 Turbo, but I don't think it's like 10 times the price. For a meta description, I don't think it's going to matter too much, but maybe we'll give it a go in a minute. But if you look here, 3.5, I'll show you the prompt that we're using. So please write a meta description for the link below. Do not use any fluff words. Try to analyze the page if possible. Only return the meta description. Use SEO best practices to write a solid meta description for this specific page. The meta description should be between 120 and 150 characters. Please now do the same for this page. I trialed, the reason that's in there is I trialed giving an example of something that it wrote before of what I considered was a good meta description, and that did fine tune quite well. So I would recommend doing that once you've done one or two. The reason I took it out is because when we trialed it with this Wikipedia, I just downloaded a couple of Wikipedia links. It didn't do it as well. So all you do is you put your prompt in and then you put the reference. So we're just referencing this A column here. As soon as you hit go, that's going to start. And what we can do is we can just drag this all the way down. So we have 100 Wikipedia links in here. I don't know if these are spam or, if they're whatever they are, but we now have, let's have a look how many we have running consecutively. I think it should tell us. Okay, so you can see they're already coming back in. But if we look, I guess they're almost half done. So within about 30 seconds, we pretty much have 100 meta descriptions. And I just checked a couple of these. Soaring Group, let's see, it's a medical device company. Cardiac devices, cardiac surgery products, cool. So it looks pretty accurate. What I would definitely recommend is if we were going to use these, you just go through them and double check them. If you were updating this page, you'd obviously be looking at the page anyway. ChatGPT does lie sometimes. I don't know why, but yeah, it does. So I guess we could definitely fix that prompt a little bit more. I'm quickly going to rerun some of them with GPT-4 and we'll see how that goes. So I just changed it to GPT-4 and then copied it in here. So yeah, looks pretty good. I'm going to just run through a couple of these. So it looks like the GPT-4 ones are actually worse, to be honest. Previously, I did say as well to it, do not use the words discover, don't use the word explore, or elevate. There are words that it just really likes to use for some reason. I think I also run out of credits in this extension, so I didn't do this last one. But yeah, I would just keep refining the prompt and just saying don't use the word explore, don't use the word discover. But 3.5 is probably what you need, and you saw in 30 seconds you had 100 meta descriptions there. Hope that's helpful. Let me know if you need any help with it. I'll drop the prompt in the description or something, but yeah, hope it's helpful.